Training is that mean we have two separate sections. One is for physical training. We have a gym at our warehouse, and after that we have the skill training. So it's about all the details around skylight, around plumber flashing, who we're gonna install one bundle shingle faster. So we have that kind of competition at our place, right? So we do a lot of competition. That's how we can prove ourselves. I like to provide the IKO Dynasty. When I first started 10 years ago, I used to install Cambridge, but when Dynasty came, and then for me it was just for the different prices, for the peace of mind for all homeowner. Dynasty was the shingle I want to provide, like the minimum standard for XL roofing. The double strip on the back for the nails on, make the guys the install, it's easy for the guys, and then for the other part, for the homeowner, it's give another warranty for the wind resistance. So that's why I like the Dynasty shingle. It's a great product.